our topic is extraction of sodium from sodium chloride. As you know already, sodium is a high reactive metal. It can be extracted from its ore only by the process known as electrolysis. We are not going to use the reduction process which is used for the moderate reactive metals because sodium is a highly reducing agent. So it cannot be reduced by carbon or carbon monoxide, which are the general reducing agents for the moderate reactive metals. So that is why we are using this process known as electrolysis. So let us see what is the construction of this electrolytic cell. Here we are going to take a beaker which is acting like electrolytic cell, the container in which the electrolysis is done. Here the process electrolysis contains two words actually, lysis, breaking down the bonds between sodium and chlorine, and electro means by using the current. So by using the current we are going to break the bonds between the sodium and chlorine, and we are going to extract sodium from sodium chloride. So this electrolytic cell we have taken, in that we'll take the molten form of sodium chloride, liquid form of sodium chloride. We are not adding any water in this, that you have to remember. This is used as electrolyte. As you know that sodium chloride is an ionic compound. It can be ionized very easily because it is containing the ions. So we can pass the current into that and we can ionize that sodium chloride into sodium and chloride ions. And along with this sodium chloride, we are going to take two electrodes. One is cathode, which is also called as negative electrode, which is nothing but the graphite rod here. And along with that, one more will take, that is anode, acting like a positive electrode. Anode, positive electrode, and cathode, negative electrode. These two will get the charge only when we are connecting that with the help of the wires to a battery. Here you can see the anode is connected to the positive terminal, cathode is connected to the negative terminal. Okay, now here what happens whenever you are passing the current? First of all, sodium chloride will ionize to form two ions. One is sodium ion and also along with that chloride ion. So here what happens, these sodium ions, as they are having the positive charge, attracted towards a negative electrode. Chloride ions, as they are having the negative charge, attracted towards a positive electrode. After these chloride ions are attracted towards the anode, here at anode oxidation reaction will occur, that is nothing but loss of electrons. Chloride ions are going to lose that electrons and by that chlorine gas is formed. Along with that, sodium ions are going to gain that electrons to form sodium metal. After the electrolysis process is completed, we can observe that sodium metal will form like a coating on the graphite rod. So by this process, that is electrolytic process, we can extract the metals from their ores. One example we have seen, that is sodium is extracted from sodium chloride.